Huawei has introduced this next generation Pura 80 series camera. They flaunt 1-inch sensor, more processing power, bigger batteries, improved satellite connectivity, and more. The Pura 80 is the smallest with 6.6-inch flat display, 1.5K resolution with 5600 mAh battery, 66-watt fast wired and 50-watt wireless charging. The Pro Plus has larger 6.8-inch displays with quad-core glass. All Pura 80 series model have LTPO or AMOLED screens, 10-bit color and second generation Kunlun glass. The Pros get larger batteries of 5700 mAh with 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging. The vanilla model gets USB 2.0 port, while the Pro and Pro Plus has USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. The vanilla model has 12 GB of RAM, while the Pros get 16 GB of RAM. The camera setup is good. The Vanilla 80 gets a 50 megapixel main with variable f1.4 to 4.0 OIS camera. It also has a 12 megapixel periscope 5.5x zoom camera and f3.4 lens with OIS, and the back you get 13 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. The selfie camera is the same in all models, which is 13 megapixel sensor with ultra wide f2.0 autofocus lens. The 80 Pro and 80 Pro Plus gets 1-inch 50 megapixel main cameras. The telephoto camera is upgraded to a higher resolution 14 megapixel and slightly smaller 4x lens. And you get an ultra wide camera which is 40 megapixels as well. And you get a 1.5 megapixel spectrum sensor on the back. They've upgraded the satellite messaging capability of Pura series. The Pura 80 and 80 Pro supports Baidu constellation. The 80 Pro Plus supports dual satellite constellation. The phone can remain connected to satellite even without you having actively pointed the satellite. It gets Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC Nearlink, which is similar to that of SparkLink. It is a Huawei's effort to develop an alternative to Bluetooth. The phones are rated IP68 and IP69. The Pro and Pro Plus is available in China starting today. The Vanilla Pura 80 is not available yet. The pricing for the Pro is starting at $905 and the Pro Plus starts at $1,115.